Hello everyone. I made an image recognizer app. It is a recognition app. In this, when I will click on this option, click a photo, it will click my photo and give a description. The AI used is recognition. So what AI means? AI means when a computer takes a human quality. So in my app, it has the quality of recognition. Like a human can recognize a person by its personality, my app can recognize the person and give the description about the person. This is the coding that I have done for my app. So let's take a live test. We will click on this option, click a photo, and it will click my photo.
A person posing for the camera.
As you can see, I have clicked a photo and it gave a description that a person is posing for the camera. So this is my app and I hope you liked my app. Thank you.